Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos look more dynamic by creating this really cool freeze frame effect on CapCut PC. So like copy and paste it first actually. Right click copy, right click paste. Then you're going to go to the part where you want the frame to freeze here maybe. Go to cutout, go to auto cutout, and then you're going to select the freeze frame here. You're going to delete this, and you're going to delete the beginning, and you're going to extend the duration, and you're actually going to delete this part. So press the delete right here, and then you can do this over and over again. Maybe you want it to like freeze here. I'm just going to do the same thing, copy and paste it, select auto cutout, go to the part where you want to freeze it, maybe like around here, select the freeze button, delete that, and I'm just going to extend it maybe like here, and then I'm going to delete that part. Or maybe like have it till the end. I don't know, it's very like busy though if you try to do like two. Maybe like in another placement, like right here maybe. Hold on, let's just go back before I froze it. Maybe like here. I'm going to like freeze it. Oops. Like, and then I'm just going to add it here. Sorry, I need to like delete that part. Okay, there you go. And this is what your finished product should look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!